not a game, it's a rich thing.
And y'all, the wig, glueless, no glue.
In the A, you so lame, and no one here even mentions your name. It must be the way, it must be, cause you be poppin', heard you get it poppin'.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This is so cute. I guess it's like to hang your wig up. That's actually so cute. I'm assuming that's what this is, and like if this is like to hang your wig, that is so cute and so smart. An edge brush, a little clip, and some HD invisible wig caps. So y'all, this is the unit in 28 inches, 5x5 natural deep loose wave. Like, look at that. Look at this. Look at the luster, the shine, and it's thick, y'all. Like, this wig is thick. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. So this is a wear and go wig, y'all. Look at that. I just love me a wig that I can put on out the box. Like, I don't have to do nothing. It's that easy. It's too good to be true. But it is though. Like, this is bomb. And the parting is so deep. I love me a 5x5 because the parting is always so deep. Bomb. 28 freaking inches, y'all. I'm about to have a ball. All right, y'all. So the only thing I did to the wig so far was pluck it and put makeup on it, but I didn't bleach anything because it already came pre-bleached and it's pre-cut. I'm gonna have to cut off some more of the lace because it's like rolling up on itself. Like, you know, I'm gonna cut all that off. And I don't like having extra lace anyways, but this is the natural pattern the way it came. And this is loose deep wave, so I don't really know what it looks like wet. But I think I wanted to do like crimps with this, y'all. But I don't know, like these curls is really cute. So I don't know if I should just wet it and see what it looks like wet or do crimps. Like, I'm really trying to debate right now. But I think I'm leaning towards doing crimps. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just wet a little piece of this and see what it looks like wet. Cause I wanna see what the natural curl pattern looks like before I go and put crimps in this wig. Cause I just don't know how curly this hair really is supposed to be. Now, if this is like some really curly hair, then I'm just gonna wear it curly. And it's giving curly, like.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Pull out a little bit more and let it get nice and wet. Oh, I think this will be pretty just wet. Yeah, I think we just need to wear it in this natural state. Like, the curls is giving like wavy, curly. Okay, yeah, it's cute. It's not as body wave as I thought. It's more so curly here, so I don't want to put heat on it. All right, so let me cut off this extra lace because this is just not giving. Like, from far away it doesn't look bad, but the lace is literally rolled up. So let's cut off the extra part. Much better. So now I'm trying to decide if I want to do a middle part or a side part. Oh, it is like shaped around your ear, but not to be a side part. It's not. So we're just gonna turn it to the side for now, and we're gonna do a side part. All right, I need this to be a deep side part, so let's do it like right here. And I want it going straight back. just like that. Honestly, even more. Hair is all wet and it is curling up, so I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. It's definitely giving like water wave. And now I'm just gonna do a little bit of baby hairs right here, not too much. Pluck it just a little. Okay, y'all, right here I'm just plucking the baby hairs because it was a little too thick for my liking and it wasn't looking very like natural. So yeah, I was just plucking that and then cutting and curling these baby hairs and using a little bit of mousse to lay these baby hairs down. And I'm kind of just playing around with how I want it to lay, what direction, you know, how long I want it to be. And then I'm taking some holding spray, my Fantasia holding spray, and adding that for extra hold and still kind of playing around with it. And I think that my hairline right here was still a little too thick. Like, you could just tell the wig just looks very thick right here and like it doesn't look very natural. So I'm just going in and plucking around the baby hairs and, you know, just trying to make it look more like it was coming out of my scalp and not. And then I'm taking my hot comb and my wax stick again and going in and hot combing the top more because it wasn't laying flat enough for me and it was just looking very bulky. And I'm always going for the most natural looking install possible, so I'm just toying around with it and I'm adding some more baby hairs here to make it look even more natural. And you know, I just like baby hair, so y'all don't have to do as many as me, but I love baby hairs, so I'm just doing more spraying, holding spray, and then going back and forth between cutting, brushing, spraying until they look like how I want them to look. Y'all can see right here that I'm plucking right here on the hairline because it just looked very, very dense right there, and I didn't like how dense it was looking, so I just plucked a little bit out. I think I need more baby hairs in the front, and I probably need to put some makeup on my part. And then I'm adding even more baby hairs, y'all. I don't know, I feel like when I'm wearing a closure and when I do more baby hairs, I feel like it sometimes helps my wig look more natural. But you know, it just depends on the install and what kind of wig you're working with. But sometimes I do like to add more baby hairs to make it look like more natural and like cut them like really short. So that's just what I'm doing here. If y'all watch some of my older videos and y'all know I do this kind of baby hairs all the time, and I have more tutorials on these baby hairs, and yeah, this is how it turned out. All right, I will let my hair dry and then see what this is giving because I have mixed feelings. It's nothing wrong with the unit, y'all. I'm just being picky today. And let me put a little bit of makeup on my part. I'm gonna wait for the hair to dry and then I'll be back. it's cute, y'all. So the hair is dry now, and I think it turned out actually really cute. Yeah, I like this texture. It's like a water wave, like loose wave kind of texture, and it dried pretty full, as y'all can see. And I didn't glue anything down, y'all, so this is completely glueless right now. Nothing is glued on my head. Y'all see the curls? Okay, I love the curl pattern. So bomb. I just love me a good deep side part. And this just eats. This really eats. Like, look how cute I look. And I was gonna do crimps, but I mean, honestly, I'm glad I didn't, because this texture, like this curl pattern, it's so pretty. Literally so freaking pretty, y'all. It's giving very much my real hair. Like, these are my real edges. Yeah, that's what it's giving. I love this. I just love a side part down. Like, every time, it just does it for me every single time. I'm just ready to go out now. Like, my hair looks so cute. I'm ready to go somewhere. What's it giving? Is it giving Black Barbie? Like, what is it giving, you guys? This is so cute, right? It's a little wavy. I love the length too. Like, I love this length for this hair. This wavy hair. I love when wavy hair is long. Like, this is so freaking cute. Giving what it needs to give. And y'all, the wig, glueless. No glue. Okay, let's really get into it.
And y'all, this is the end of the video. This is the unit from ISHOW Hair. Their loose deep wave wig in 28 inches, wear and go wig. And they have like a lot of coupons and codes on their website for y'all to use. So you can get this wig at a very affordable price if you go to their website and use their codes. Again, this is in 28 inches, the loose deep wave. And yeah, y'all, I literally love how this install turned out. Literally a wear and go wig. You can put it on, take it off at night. No glue. Super bomb, super easy to do, super quick, no heat required. So definitely check out the link in my description. And thank y'all so much for watching. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye.